Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we are doing the exercise 9.5, okay, and we have started the question number 6. Now let's see what is question number 6. Using identities, evaluate. Evaluate means you have to find the value of this number using the identities, okay, not by simple multiplication. 71 square, that means you can multiply and find out the square. 71 into 71, but we have to use the identities to find the value of 71 square. So how to find it? Let's see. First of all, you have to break the number 71 into two parts, okay, because we have the identities in the two parts, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, in this way, okay. Two numbers we need. So here we have to break 71 in two parts. How can you break it? So you have to break this number in such a way that you can do the calculation easily. We can do the squaring easily because square is there. So how can you break it? 71 can be written as 70 plus 1, okay, and now here square, this square will come here. So 71 can be broken as 71 plus 1. Now we got this is a and this is b, okay. A is 70 and b is 1. Now we can easily apply which formula? A plus b whole square, because it is plus now. We can break it in minus also. According to our wish, according to our convenience, we can break it in minus form also. So because it is more easy, plus is more easy, 70 plus 1, because it is single digit. 1 square we can easily find out, 70 square easily find out, that's why. Okay, 70 plus 1, that is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now you apply here a square, 70 is a, so a square 70 square plus 2ab, 2 into a is 70 into b is 1 plus b square, so 1 square. Now 70 square is what? Very easy to find out. How? 70 square means what? It is not hard that you will multiply 70 into 70 like this, no. 7 square you have to see. 7 square is what? 49, so write it 49. 7 square is 49 and 0 is there, and whenever the square is there, that means 2 times 0 you will write. Very easy, okay. Square means 2 times 0. 7 square is 49 and 2 times 0. Very easy. Plus 2 into 70 into 1. So 2 into 70 is 140 plus 1. Now you have to add all the numbers. Very easy. Here 1, then 4, then 9 plus 1 10, in hand 1, then 4 plus 1 5, 5041. Very easy. So this is the answer. 71 square is 5041. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to use the identity, how to use the formula to find out the square of any number. So you have to break the number, okay, in plus form or minus form, then you have to apply the formula. Understood? Now let's see two number, that is 99 square. How to do 99 square? Let's see. Now 99 square can be broken into two parts again. So how can you break into two parts? So 99 can be written as what? Now you can write in the minus form. 100 minus 1. Okay, 100 minus 1 is 99. So 100 minus 1 whole square. Now what we got? This is a and this is b. So a minus b whole square we got. Okay, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a now? A is 100 and b is 1. See, so you have to convert the number, we have to break the number according to our convenience in the easy form. So 100 minus 1, very easy. So here we will apply the formula now. So you can see here, this is the answer 9801. Okay, after solving, so it is coming 9801. So 99 square is 9801. So in this way you can break in minus form also. Now see 3 number, 102 square. So 102 can be broken like this, 100 plus 2, like this. Okay, so all questions are like this only, some were plus, some were minus. Okay, now let us see another question. Suppose this is 6 number, here 2 numbers are there. So how can you do 2 numbers? So whenever there are 2 numbers, then you have to break in such a way that 2 numbers will become same. That means a and b should come same. 297 can be written as 300 minus 3, and 300 can be written as 300 plus 3. So you can see here 297 can be written as 300 minus 3, and 300 can be written as 300 plus 3. Now see, both the cases there are same numbers. Here 300, here also 300, here 3, here also 3. Now which formula is coming? Now can you find out the formula? Yes. This is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. So it is A minus B into A plus B. Now you got the formula. A minus B into A plus B formula is what? A square minus B square, right? So in this formula it has came. So in this formula it has came A minus B into A plus B. It is A square minus B square. So you have to break the number in such a way that both the A and B should be same. Understood? Now apply the formula A square minus B square. Now this is 300 is A and 3 is B. A square minus B square. So 300 square you have to write here, and 3 square you have to write here, and then subtract it. So here you can see the answer is 8,991. Okay, so 300 square is 90,000. So 3 square is 9, and there are 2 zeros. So when it will be square, it will become 4 zeros. Okay, so it is the answer of this question. So students, now I hope you have understood how to solve these numbers, okay, using the identities, using the formula. Okay, so rest of the questions are your homework. Now question number 7, A square minus B square. You have to use this formula. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. Again same here, you have to use the here are numbers are there, you have to use this formula only, and you have to solve these numbers. So here you can see 51 square minus 49 square. So the students who do not know the formula, they will do what? They will do the 51 square, they will do, okay, multiply, again 49 square they will do, then minus. But it is not the shortcut way. The shortcut method is using the formula, using the identity. So it is what? A square minus B square. 51 is A, 49 is B, right? Understood? Now I will apply the formula A minus B into A plus B. So now the formula is A plus B into A minus B. Now here we'll add, and here we'll subtract. See, the addition is 100 and minus is 2. So 100 into 2, that is 200. So simple. See, by using the formula it becomes so simple. Understood? Now let's do this two number. So here in this question, 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. Again this is A and this is B. A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B. So 1.08 plus 0.98, 1.08 minus 0.98. So you have to add and subtract now. Now you can see here 1.082 plus 0.98 is 2, and 1.02 minus 0.98 is 0.04. When you multiply this, it is coming 0.08. Okay, so easy. So by using the formula, every question becomes easy. Okay, these are all formulas, algebraic identities. Now question number 8, use x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x into a plus ab. So this formula you have to, this identity you have to use to find this solution. Okay, now let us see. So here in this question number 8.1, you have to use this formula, x plus a into x plus b. That means you have to break this number like this. That means x and x should be same. That means two numbers should be same, and this a and b should be different. Okay, let us see how to break it. So it is 100 plus 3. Okay, 103 can be written as like this, 100 plus 3 into 104 can be written like this, 100 plus 4. Okay, now see, it has become like this. This is 100 is x, and a is 3 and b is 4. Okay, a is 3 and b is 4. Now we got like this formula. Now you have to put in this formula, x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. Okay, you have to write like this in this formula. Now see here, so according to this formula, x square, that means 100 square plus a plus b. Okay, this is a plus b in the formula. 3 plus 4 into x. X is 100 plus a into b. A is what? 3 and b is 4. So 3 into 4. In this we have to write according to the formula and solve it now. So it is now 100 square is, you have to only double the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 100, and 3 4s are 12. Now see, this is the solution 10712. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. When you multiply it, this number will come. See, so This is simple multiplication. You can multiply 103 into 104. The student who do not know the identities, who do not know the formula, they will simply multiply like this. 103 into 104. They will multiply like this. But no, in exam you have to do by using the formula. Otherwise, you will not get marks. Remember this. Okay. So this is the way of breaking the number into two parts. First of all, then you have to use the formula. Understood? Now again, let us see this two number. Now you can see we can break this number 5.1 into 5.2 into two parts like this. 5 plus 0.1 and 5 plus 0.2. And always remember this number should be same. Okay, now what is A? 0.1 is A and 0.2 is B. Okay, so this is 5 is the X in the formula and A is 0.1, B is 0.2. Now we'll apply the formula. So this is the way of doing 5 square plus A plus B is 0.1 plus 0.2 into 5 plus 0.1 into 0.2. Now solve it. So you can see this is the solution of this question after solving. Okay. So now I hope you have understood this 8 number question also. Now the remaining questions are your homework. In this way, this exercise 9.5 is complete and this chapter is also complete. So please do all the questions, and if you have any doubt then please ask me. Okay, thank you.